Welcome to Pythonica, and today I will show you the difference between in-place and out-place function in NumPy. So let's create the framework to do some experiments, and we need to load time and NumPy for doing this experiment. And let's create out-place function which take NumPy array and make a double power of this array, and then take it in power of this double power. So it's just funny expression which will calculate very long and will take a lot of function. And then let's take 8 times sine from this result and return back this result. So this is our out-place function. This is standard way how we use it in NumPy. But now let's write it in place. So first of all, let's copy our from array to to array with function np array. And then let's say that 2 is equal to in power 2, and do it 2 times. So I've just repeated the same function. And then we will do cycle 8 times and calculate NumPy sine, and we'll take 2 and let's out to 2 as well. So it's kind of in place way of writing function, and let's return it. So, and then let's create our test array, for example A, which is random of 25,000 by 25,000 array, so it's quite big one. And then we will sleep 5 seconds, so I would like to see how memory is occupied. And then we will count the time and run this outplace function on our array. And let's write how long it was taken to calculate this big function on this huge array. So despite anything, this in-place and out-place function will be vectorized with NumPy function. And after this I will remove the array B, and let's start again. Now I will do the same but with in-place function, and in in-place function I will create array B inside. And let's write the time and delete array B and array A, and let's see what's happened. So let's run it. But I will not run this code exactly, but I will run it with mproof to see how it occupies the memory. So you see, it's not consuming 100% CPU sometimes because it's not enough power to allocate the memory. Okay, a little bit faster. So let's see. You see these peaks in array. So it looks like this program creating and deleting some temporary arrays, which is not very optimal. So 117 seconds, and you see this array is deleted and new created, and there is no more peaks. So the second function which is in place at least do not play with the temporary arrays. And let's see what the time is. Okay, and the time is 95 seconds. So it is pretty fast. And let's have a look what's happened with memory. So first of all, it's create a array, and then it's create huge temporary array for calculating this big bad power. And then for every sign for outplace function, create temporary array and calculate it, which take a lot of time and consume some more memory. Then we will start second calculation. We still have array A in memory, and then array B was created of approximately the same size as array A, and there is no temporary array is created. So you see, the second way of calculating take less memory and it's calculated faster. So if you have a chance, always use in-place function in NumPy array. I think it's quite clear demonstration of the difference between in-place and out-place functions. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and wait for new interesting videos. Thank you, bye.